I'm also going to pull any more fuel out of that slip tank that I have. One single rock chip. Like, we're still 6 hours north of Whitehorse. All right. Welcome back to another video. Got my map again here. We're headed south again, well, farther south to, we're gonna make a run for Dawson City today. We're going, the last I had on here was day 9 on here, but basically we're sitting at this territorial park. And we're gonna come down and park at that other one just outside of town by the airport there. Go check out Dawson City, and that's kind of why we're up so early. It's like 5:30 here. Sun never went down because we're still, I believe we're still above the Arctic Circle here. The Arctic Circle is just above Egale Plains. So what we're gonna do is get down to Egale Plains, maybe grab some fuel. If we need it, top up, maybe have some breakfast, and then we can mosey on down and try to get in by 3 or 4 in the afternoon, back to that campground there, and then we'll have the nice night and tomorrow to relax. So yeah, it should be good. We'll get going here. Welcome to Egale Plains. We were just rolling in here. Took us just about 2 hours. We made a few stops along the way. We wanted to check out the Arctic Circle sign as well, and then yeah, we're gonna just pull in here, kind of have a peek over things. The next 400 kilometers are pretty rough, so we'll just see how things are. And then I'm also going to pull any more fuel out of that slip tank that I have and get see what exactly how much fuel I have, because I think I have enough. I have a full tank, and then I'll have like a really full tank. Like I'll fill her to the brim, and it's only, I only need 400, so I should be pulling it into Dawson City just with about 100K to spare. So we'll do all that and then get going on this next bumpy section. Coming through, kind of following this river up to this mountain range, and we're just gonna get into it. And we gotta go, we're at about 1,500 feet right now, and we gotta climb to, I think the peak is 4,300 feet, I believe. Let me cheat. Yeah, 4,300 feet to the summit. So gonna kind of wind our way up through this mountain and then drop all the way down into Dawson City. Well, we just completed the DEMPSTER Highway. I must say that is an accomplishment, and we managed to do 1,800 kilometers. Oh my God, 1,800 kilometers with one single rock chip, and that was only in the last 100 kilometers or so. That was terrible. So we are going to head into Dawson City and grab a nice cold beer and go to a restaurant, because we've been living off of the freezer food for a while here. So we're glad to be finished this trip. So we'll now we got the next hurdle. If you look on a map, I'll show you tonight how far that Dawson City actually is north. Like, we're still 6 hours north of Whitehorse, and Whitehorse is still a few hours, I think like 25 hours north of Vancouver. So we're not out of it yet, but we got the DEMPSTER done, saw the Arctic Ocean, crossed the Arctic Circle. So let's go have a nice beer and enjoy the evening. And there's a lot of work to clean this truck. That is a lot of dust and a lot of gravel in every nook and cranny, so. We'll get both.
Okay, well, what do you want?
Well, we're gonna do both.
Okay.
You want it, get it.
Will you eat some of it?
Yeah, and I'll have that cheesy garlic. I'll just do a small of that.
Okay.
And then I'll do, I'll do, whatever that other...
Pizza was right.
Yeah, the Canadian. Okay. Ooh, we are back into... Oh, see, we don't even have to open this map still. There's 3,000 kilometers to cover between here and Vancouver over the next week. So let me show you where we got to here today. So we stayed. This is a this campground right here. Oh, I don't know if that will focus. Let me see if that'll focus. Yeah, so see this campground? Drove from there down to Dawson. So we completed the DEMPSTER with one rock chip, and it was beautiful. I'm glad we had a spare tire. Didn't need it, but we had it. So and then we went in to have some nice dinner, and there's an airport right there, and there's a fire hall right there. It's noisy, and it stays light out, but it's a nice spot out of town. So we went into town there and had a nice pizza and kind of a little restaurant, and just board sidewalks and all that type stuff. So it was nice. And then I think tomorrow the plan is to hang out here, just have a rest day, and then we'll pick things back up on Tuesday, going south to Mezzanine Lake. It's about 10 hours, or actually we're gonna go to Whitehorse, and then probably Whitehorse to Prince George over the course of 3 days. I just got to figure out scheduling and how we got to do things. So we'll see that in the next coming few days there. But thanks everybody for watching, and make sure to stick around for that, because this is kind of one part of the trip, and now the next part is getting to the airport to get ready to getting on a plane to Australia, which is going to be wild. So big things coming up. So stay tuned for that. Thanks everybody for watching.